Are you looking for the best printers under 200? In this video we will look at some of the best printers under 200 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. HP OfficeJet Pro 8035. HP OfficeJet Pro 8035 printer under 200. The HP OfficeJet Pro 8025, 8028, 8035 is an all-in-one inkjet printer for families. Its compact size does not take up much space on your desk or table. The print quality and color accuracy of the printer is sufficient for taking pictures from time to time. Flat-to-flat scanners and high-resolution scans make it easy to back up vulnerable family photos and also feature an automatic document loader for scanning multi-page documents. However, double-sided scanning is not allowed and you will have to manually flip the double-sided page. Unfortunately, this printer has a very low black ink efficiency and often needs to be replaced, which increases the cost. On the other hand, its color cartridges are a bit more efficient, especially for printing photos. Number 2. Canon PIXMA TR8520. Canon PIXMA TR8520 printer under 200. The Canon PIXMA TR8520 is an ideal printer for home use. It has excellent connectivity and scanning options on a versatile device for printing everything from your camera to memory to family photos. For those on a budget, the cost-print ratio is also good. On the other hand, its slow printing is not always best for people in a hurry. People who print many photos may find the long wait times and color accuracy particularly disappointing. However, this printer is suitable for families and students who sometimes need to print files. Number 3. Brother MFC J491DW. Brother MFC J491DW printer under 200 inkjet. The Brother MFC J491DW is a simple and decent budget printer for everyday home use. It features an automatic document charger, a scanner with decent connectivity options, works with the Great Brother mobile app, and can perform most tasks directly on your smartphone. Ink cartridges generate several pages and need to be replaced frequently, but they are relatively inexpensive and very cost-effective in the long run. Unfortunately, its printing speed is pretty bad, its entry tray is small and its color accuracy is very correct. The photo looks pretty good, but it takes a while to print. Finally, it's an abandoned old model, but can still be found at some retailers. Number 4. Canon PIXMA TR7520. Canon PIXMA TR7520 printer under 200. The Canon PIXMA TR7520 is a decent printer suitable for a wide range of applications. Its compact size fits in a tight space and many connection options make it easy to install. Black ink runs out pretty quickly, but color cartridges can generate more pages, so you can add a little color to your report or print professional photos occasionally without hassle. The cost per print is high in black and color, which means that the overall cost remains low in the long run. Unfortunately, printing documents in black and color is very slow, but for photos, it's surprisingly fast and they are beautiful. The scanner has an automatic document charger, but it can't perform double-sided scanning, which can be frustrating in offices that need to scan double-sided documents on a regular basis. On the bright side, it can perform most of the tasks from your smartphone and is compatible with Canon's excellent mobile apps. Number 5. Epson Workforce WF2860. Epson Workforce WF2860 inkjet printer under 200. The Epson Workforce WF2860 is a decent all-in-one inkjet printer. The scanner has great features because it is equipped with an automatic document charger ADF that scans in high resolution and unfortunately cannot perform double-sided scanning. The cartridge system is poor and the page performance is poor on both black and color pages. Fortunately, cartridges aren't expensive, so long-term printing is beneficial. It has excellent connectivity options and allows you to print the most common file types from complementary applications. It's a pretty well-built printer, but its screen is hard to see if you're looking at it from the side.